season they're currently having, Coach Mike. After falling just one game short of making it to the national finals. Di ba? Ibang klase. At nakita natin yung pagkanta nila ng mga pyesa. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Well, after those, that opening game loss against Jensan Warriors, and then 2 games after you lose to Quezon, another 3 games after they lost to Batangas. They've had some teams that's had good winning records na nalampasan rin nila, no? Talk about Mindoro, who else? Zamboanga as well, may Kawayan and Pasay. Those 3 were the 3 latest na malaking panalo nila. It sets them off on a good rhythm actually.
Alam mo sa Sokmit, dami kong nakikita, daming galit na Boston fans.
Oo. Dahil doon kay Jalen.
Oo, na-trade eh.
Yeah. But I saw one interview by Shay Shay. There's this player na kakampany.
Shay Shay? Sino si Shay Shay?
Shay Shay, it's a show of...
Okay.
I forgot the name of the guy. We'll talk about him later.
Time out muna tayo. 87-71, Binyan. Pretty much sealing the deal. $16.8 for Binyan. Naibaba pa ng Bulacan to to as low as 11. Pero yun na yung closest that they have gotten to since being down by as many as 21 points.
Yun yung quarter na pumasok si William C, where they had a third quarter. That's right. Good run. And Coach Allen, is he signaling a challenge? But they'll review this.
Wag na daw. Ano ba? Itutuloy ba? Laban ba o bawi?
I think review na lang, hindi na challenge.
Kasi, tama naman. Last 2 minutes
last 2 minutes eh.
Hindi na.
Minute 26. Well, they had a chances in the third quarter. Kung na-sustain lang nitong Bulacan sana naibaba pa nila ng bahagya single digits.
Oo. Pero yung taon yun ni Ate Dors, hindi single digits.
Hindi.
Ilang taon na?
87.
Di ilan yun?
8. Oh my God.
For 39. Tama, 39.
39, no?
39 years.
Yeah.
Kasal, ilan?
30 plus.
30...
95 kami.
Di 90...
31.
31.
31, yeah.
Si Coach Christian, saka si Ma'am Marie, 19.
Kayo? Hindi. Kailan lang kayo, di ba?
5.
5, yeah.
Going 6.
Going strong.
Oo.
Yes, sir.
Basta di mapa-trip sa asawa ko.
Hindi, kasama talaga yan. Tingin ko naman mag-a-agree naman si Coach Christian. There are those days. Ganun talaga yan.
87-73.
But speaking of marriage, the best movie about marriage that I've seen. Have you seen it?
What?
Fireproof.
I've heard of that movie.
Yeah, you should watch it. That's really good.
Sige. Wala sa Netflix yun
Wala.
Sa Solarflix ba meron? Wala din.
You should watch it with Nudge.
Sige.
That's really nice. You'll love it.
Ang requirement lang naman para manood kami, dapat hindi kailangan ng subtitle.
Hindi, wala.
So yung
Sigurado ako si Coach Christian, alam niya.
Yung Twist of Fate, kailangan nakadub yun. Pag di naka-subtitle yun
Problema.
Problema yun. May timeout ulit tayo, 63 seconds left. A 16-point lead for Binyan, 89-73. Zilan getting ready for their battle with Zamboanga. Magkarating isla yan, Basilan and Zamboanga, around roughly 50 to 80 kilometers away.
You are not only a master of memory, you are also a genius of geography. My goodness.
Moralejo. Double foul.
Is that on Moralejo and Jaymar, Tama ba?
Sigimpahin yung isa, tama.
Yeah. Medina.
You got one right, Coach Mike.
Alright. Yan. There you go.
Yung iba kasi, kahit mali, laging tama eh.
May ganun nga.
Diba?
May ganun. Tama naman. Tama naman. Pero kailangan paubaya.
Paubaya.
Oh, diba? Actually, dahil sa ikaw ang kasama ko, ang sinabi kong movie
Oh.
ay Fireproof. Diba? Pero hindi ko mabanggit yan kay Coach Juanito kasi unang-una single si Coach Juanito. Diba?
Single ba si Coach?
Oo.
Akala ko mo.
Meron
Wala
ba
bang
si Coach
girlfriend si
Juanito?
Coach?
Hindi, I mean, may asawa na ba si Coach Juanito?
Hindi ko alam.
Wala, di ba?
Wala ba?
Wala, alam ko wala. Sorry hindi ko alam, pero yun ang alala ko. Pero kung siya kasi...
Si Papa P, wala.
Oh, wala si Papa P!
Sa si Piolo Pascual, wala pang asawa yun.
Oo, alam mo, sa bagay. Baka sinasabayan niya.
Kaya siguro, kung single ka na lalaki, may pag-asa ka pa siguro.
Tama naman.
Kasi kung ganun kagwapo, wala pa, parang ilang taon na yun. Nasa north of 40 years old na yun.
Ito nga nakakatawa, sabi ni Coach Juanito,
Oh.
di ba nagla-live selling sila ni Tito Mikey?
Ah.
Yes, di ba?
Oh.
In the comment section, there were comments that says, ito pa si Papa P. What do you mean there? And so, natatawa siya how far that Papa P has gone. But, again, kung si Papa P ang kasama ko dito, hindi Fireproof ang sasabihin ko. TV series
TV series.
tungkol sa mag-asawa. Alam mo kung ano yun?
Ano?
John and Marcia.
So, mapapapanood mo pa ba yun sa YouTube?
Hindi, ewan ko siguro. Si Direct Freddy sigurado tumatawa na yan sa Obi-Wan.
Alright, Binyan getting the job done against Bulacan.
Very limited minutes that he's got.
95-70.